आज तक में आपका स्वागत है। आज के सनसनीखेज खबर, सोनी यादव का बर्थडे, वो भी इस कोरोना के पैंडेमिक में। कैसे होगा इसका सेलिब्रेशन? दुनिया भर से लोग अपने वीडियो भेज रहे हैं मास्क के अवतार में। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू सोनी। कोरोना या मरोना, लेकिन बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट होना। हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनी।
Hi Sony.
Hi Sony, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
It's been a long time Sony.
Hair is also gone.
प्रेम मंजू प्रेम अस्तो तुमसे
हमसे same अस्तो.
Have a nice day.
15 years he's remembered it. All right.
Bye.
Bye Sony. Take care. Have a nice day.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Sony. Happy birthday to you. Sony, this is our wish for the rest of the year. You can lie down like this and just chill. Have a great birthday.
Have a great birthday.
Happy birthday, Sony. You saw the Gadela mode birthday wishes that my family sent you. So what does that mean? That you truly are an inspiration. For all the wacky, fun, adventurous person that you are, I think you're incredibly strong and purposeful. And I think that is an aspect that nobody really talks about when it comes to you. I hope you have an accomplished year. I hope you have a great time, and if nothing else, we have virtual visits to your house. Happy birthday, Sony. We love you.
Hi Sony, happy birthday to you. I'm sorry this year you had to be in India for your birthday. And I'm sure this year you'll be spending more and more time in India. After the Prime Minister, you're obviously probably the more person who's going to be more in India this year than you've otherwise been. Have a great year, happy birthday, and enjoy yourself.
Hi Sony, many happy returns of the day. This is so unlucky, but still many happy returns of the day, and hope you enjoy your day to the fullest. I'll speak to you soon. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday Sony, have a great one, enjoy yourself.
Hey Sony Yadav, happy birthday to you. I hope you're having a wonderful time with your family and of course your people. That's what we do, right? On every birthday, we cannot be with the unknown people at all. That's the way to be. Wishing you a superb time, all crazy times. Continue the way you are, the laughter medicine for each and every group wherever you are. I think so. I've had the most amazing, crazy times with you. And as I say, you're my friend indeed, and you shall always be. Love you lots. And cheers to a lovely cup of chai, my darling. Wishing you a birthday full of Gadhela times and all the things which you look forward to. Yes, I think so. Travel is going to be a little less, but do not worry. We shall compensate for it in due course. Happy birthday. Love you lots. And see you soon, hopefully.
Happy birthday! How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How's the lockdown going on?
Lockdown's good.
Good?
Yeah.
If it's your birthday, then where's the treat?
I couldn't get the treat. It's in Nasik.
What are these excuses here? You couldn't get the treat and you have to give a treat, na? You've turned 40 or 39? What have you done?
39.
Okay, but still, treat is still treat. You have to give the treat, right?
I tried to. It's in Nasik. I'll bring it.
What you try to? How many friends have you invited today?
None.
That way it is good in a lockdown, but treat is there, na? So, what are your plans today? What are you planning to do?
I don't know.
Anyways, now you have to play piano. For us, it's a penalty because there's no treat. You get up, at least take one kissing. Happy birthday. Come on.
What song should I play?
I don't know.
Few release I'll play.
Few release.
Wait, let me start again.
Start. Very good you play, yeah? I mean, so anyways, you have to still give the treat. Now, let's Happy birthday, Soni Masi. Happy birthday, Soni.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Dearest Soni Adha, Sonio, crazy one. Happy birthday 2020. Theme of this birthday is Corona. So हम सब पहन के आए हैं mask as per instruction. Face mask on. Scarf on. Happy birthday 2020. Don't forget Soni, mask गिर रहा है, बहुत practice की ये है. 500 take के बाद mask is falling off. Happy birthday. Have a fantastic one.
सोनी हैप्पी बर्थडे सुन मेरी सुंदर घोंघरी आवाज में हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू दिस इज सो मच त्यागीरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Soni. Happy birthday to you. Dear Soni, happy birthday 2020. Corona का मास्क पहना है. Happy birthday, Soni.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Soni. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Soni. Happy birthday to you. Babe, 1 year older, 1 year wiser. Have fun, happy birthday. Wish you all the love, luck, everything in this world. But most importantly, loads of travel because I know you love it. This all will be over soon. So I know that you're going to get your bags and get out there like real soon. And lots of good food. Okay? Love you. Happy birthday, babe.
नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे आज तो पार्टी जब तक फटते नाच पिजामा पकड़ के पट्टे
Hey Soni, wish you a very happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Keep smiling. Your smile is contagious. Lots of love.